Been a long time. New location. This isn't the permanent location. But yeah, so I can't really show you this with any other models at this time. But Squatchy's diecast hanger. Had this. I wanted to add this one, and it wasn't terribly expensive. I actually got a decent price, so hopefully it's not broken and it's in the shape I like them to be in. I have the 737-800 release as well. Tiny little 737. It's cold because it's very cold out. Alright. Wow. Very nice. I like it. Nothing too bad with the engine cowling. Nice dark blue shiny paint. Gear look to be positioned very well. Turn on the light here. CFM 56-7B engines. Very good. Very good. I'm very happy with that. This is awesome. Can't wait to get all my jets back out. They're all in storage right now, as I'm not really in a permanent place yet. But yeah, you'll definitely see more of this jet in the future as we continue to collect the jets. I'm really looking for the in-flight United Evo A320. That's definitely another goal of mine. But yeah, another really nice rare model added to the collection for a good price. I think I paid $98 with shipping, and this was $85, which is a very good price. That's almost the price it was new. And on eBay, some of them are selling, one of them sold for $145 on bid. And this one is good, satisfactory condition to me. No imperfections that I can see. The engine cowling does have no major dents, scrapes. Little nub there, but that's to be expected. No imperfections other than factory tolerance. Yeah. All right, let's put it down and show you, and we'll conclude the video. Beautiful. All right, here she is. Split scimitar winglets. CFM 56-7B, I'm pretty sure. Front nose gear, United logo. Top of the wings, the exit path. Beautiful. United 737-700, 2021 release, Gemini jets. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.